Transfer and Closure in Industrial Dispute Act 1947. The Industrial Disputes Act, 1947, IDA, deals with the concepts of transfer and closure of industrial establishments. Here's a breakdown of the key provisions. Transfer of undertakings. The key provisions. Section 25 FF, if the ownership or management of an undertaking is transferred by agreement or law, every worker with at least 1 year of continuous service in the undertaking immediately before the transfer is entitled to notice and compensation as if they had been retrenched. This means the new employer must offer continued employment to the existing workers on the same terms and conditions. If the new employer does not offer continued employment, the workers are entitled to retrenchment benefits, including compensation based on their length of service. Closure of undertakings. Section 25 FFA. An employer who intends to close down an undertaking must give at least 60 days notice to the appropriate government, state government or central government depending on the size of the undertaking. The notice must include the reasons for the closure and state the date of closure. The government can then inquire into the matter and grant permission for closure only if it considers the reasons justified. If the government refuses permission, the closure is deemed illegal, and the workers are entitled to all benefits as if the undertaking had not been closed. Section 25 FFF. If the closure is permitted or deemed permitted, all workers employed in the undertaking are entitled to compensation equivalent to 15 days average pay for every completed year of service. Additional points. The ID also provides for the reemployment of retrenched workers in certain situations. The Act aims to protect the rights of workers affected by transfers and closures of undertakings. There are specific provisions for different types of undertakings and industries.
Note, this is a brief overview of the Industrial Disputes Act, 1947. The Act is a complex piece of legislation, and it is recommended that you consult with a legal professional for any specific advice or interpretation. Thanks for joining this live session on Facebook and YouTube at Vinay Shukla. Notes and exercises are on https://yovinashukla.in.